Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can turn on the guides in your designs and documents on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to the design on Affinity and you will find the guides settings in the same menu where the margin settings are located. So what you want to do is click into view at the top, then navigate to margins and guides. And here guys, customize the column guides here, right? So what you want to do guys is, for example, you can add horizontal guides, vertical guides like this, and then you may, for example, double click into that number and then change it to, let's say, I don't know, 80, 180, and to move the guide here. So if you'd like to remove the given guide, click into this button, or you may change the color, like, I don't know, let me assign that color, and now you see the guide here. Of course, you can add more of these guides. So let me go with another vertical one and move it here to the left to, let's say, 20 millimeters, 25, and it would be positioned here, and that's the guide. Now you can of course customize that here as well, column guides, and also for the rows, right? So you can do that as well, and here are the margin settings. Now once you're ready guys, click into OK. You can also remove the given guide, and that's how it would look like here. We got 1, 2, 3 guides, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.